everyone, this is your Nitin sir. Welcome to Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Today my topic is exponents and power. Actually this topic is helpful for each and every class from class 7, 8, 9, 10 where evaluation of the power and calculation occurs. So I am not telling anyone any specific class, but the introduction part will be given from the class 7. So exponent and power. First of all, what is the meaning of exponent and power? If I write a multiply by a multiply by a multiply by a, how many times I have written a? 4 times. So a to the power 4. So we can say a occurred 4 times with the positive power 4. If I write 3 into 3, what is the meaning? 3 square, and 3 3s are 9. So 3 occurred 2 times, having power 2, value is equal to 9. So these are the basic terms about the exponent and power. So suppose if I will write again once again a into a into a into a dot 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 n times. So in terms of the power, I can say a to the power n. If here value a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any value, and power also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any value. Power may be negative, positive and 0 according to the integer. I am going to give you some example, then I will establish the relation. A to the power minus 1. What is the meaning? It means 1 upon a. If 1 upon a to the power minus 1, this is a to the power 1. So my dear, in this 2 example, I just wish to establish one thing. If negative power is given for the value, you can change the denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator, and it becomes the positive power. So we can say a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. 1 upon a to the power minus 1 is equal to a to the power 1. These are the basic thing about negative power. Now, one of the best concept for the power a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now, we always calculate like this. 2 into 2 into 2 upon, suppose 2 into 2. 2 cancel, the value is 2. Is there any rule for the power? Yes. With the help of this, we establish one rule in the exponent and power. How? Check. If base is same, base means if I write a to the power n, a is a base, n is a power. So the formula for like this term, a to the power m dot a to the power n. This is your first formula. Dot means multiply, is equal to a to the power m plus n. When the base is same, power should be added in multiplication. For example, 2 to the power 3 dot 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2, and the value is 2 to the power 5. And if you want to evaluate, this is 32. You can check it. 2 written 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Same thing in division. A to the power m above below a to the power n. If I consider m is greater than n, so we'll write what here? A m minus n, or vice versa. I can say if n is greater than m, so we'll write 1 upon n minus n, a to the power n minus m. For example, 2 to the power 7 upon 2 to the power 5. So value should be 2 to the power 7 minus 5. This is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Or 2 to to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 7. This is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 7 minus 5. That is 1 upon 2 to the power 2. That is 1 by 4. Why? Because this 7 is greater than 5. Here 7 is greater than 5. So numerator value. Here denominator value. So this is the first two theory about the power. When the base is same, power should be added or subtracted respectively in multiplication and division. Now the third one. Third one is, if base is same and if we have written like this, a to the power m to the power n. So simply we can write a to the power m and n. Multiply m into n. These are the short note about the power. Suppose if I write a by b value 3 power 3. So we can write what here separately, aq upon bq. Or if we'll establish here a by b to the power m, so we will write am upon bm, because the both numerator and denominator having the same power. So these are the small tips when you calculate exponent and power. Suppose if I write one question here, the question is 16 into 10 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 6 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 6, and we have to evaluate this value. What to do here? First of all, we have to check the like term. 16, 10, 3, 6, 5. Is there any like term? No, but indirectly it is given. 16 means 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2 into 2. For the student, suppose you don't know anything, I am writing 16. 10, 5 into 2. I am splitting the value in the like term, and already 3 is a prime number, so here. Now 6, 3 into 2 to the power 5, multiply by 5 to the power 6. Now you check 2 to the power 4, multiply here 2 to the power 4, multiply 5 to the power 4 splitted into 3 to the power 3, and here 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, multiply by 5 to the power 6. Now use the basic part. When base is same, power should be added. So 2 to the power 4 plus 4, 2 to the power 8. Here when base is same, power should be subtracted or added. In division it should be subtracted. Now 5 to the power 6 is more than 4, so we can say here 5 to the power 6 minus 4 in denominator. Now 5 is over. Now 3 to the power 5, and here 3 to the power 3, so we can say 3 to the power 5 minus 3. Then 2 to the power 5, it should be in denominator, that is minus 5. Now what happened here? 2 to the power 3 divide 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 6 minus 4, 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, that should be 8, and 3 3s are 9, multiply by 25, that is 8 upon 225, your answer. So you are going to calculate in the like term. Suppose another question. If 1000 to the power 12 divide 10 to power 30. First of all, this is 1000, this is 10. Is there any possibility to write 1000 in terms of 10? 10 to the power cube. 12 10 to the power 30. Now 10 to the power 36 divide 10 to the power 30. So it should be 1036 minus 30. That is 10 to the power 6, 10 lakh. When the base is same in division, power should be subtracted. Larger minus smaller. So these are the basic point about powers. Now coming with some question. I have already written here, simplify. One question, that is 3 by 17 to the power 11 multiply by 3 by 17 to the power 7 bracket divide 3 by 17 to the power 8 multiply 3 by 17 to the power 10. And we have to express this value in terms of power 10. How? Check here. First of all, 3 by 17 base is same. Power should be added in multiplication. We can write 11 plus 7. 3 by 17. Division 3 by 17, 8 plus 10. So 3 by 17, 18. Division 3 by 17, 18. So we can write here what? 3 by 17 to the power 18 minus 18. That is 3 by 17 equal to 0. Power 0, that is 1. And now we have to represent this value into terms of 10. Very simple. We can write here 10 to the power 0. This is also equal to 1. Any base having power 0 always gives 1. If question asks, write in terms of the power 2, 2 to the power 0. So many students asking me this type of question, ki, sir, please giving me a message ki solve. So it means they don't know the basic concept of the 10 to the power 0. Now, I hope you will like this. Please subscribe my channel. Share with your friend. So this knowledge will reach each and every individual. Those who required. Now again the second type of question. When in terms of power you have to find the variable. We have to find the variable. How? 3 to the power 3 power 7 is equal to 3 to the power 7x. First of all, first principle. 3 into 3 into 7. 21 is equal to 3 to the power 7x. When the base is same, power should be equal. So this means what? In LHS and RHS, 21 is equal to 7x. This implies 7x is equal to 21, x equal to 3. Always student write 3 equal to x, but in the question you have to establish x is equal to, you are going to find x. This is good habit in maths. In another question, if P by Q is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power 9 divide minus 2 to the power 3, 2 by 3 to the power 8. When the base is same, power should be subtracted. So we will what do here? Minus 2 by 3, 9 minus 8. That is minus 2 by 3 power 1. So add is it? P by Q equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we have to find what? P by Q whole square. So this is minus 2 by 3 whole square. So what? Minus whole square. Tentatively I have given this question. If minus occur even power, if base is minus and power is even, it always gives plus. So this is minus 2 into minus 2, 3 into 3. No need to write minus 2 into, but I just wanted to establish minus minus plus 4 upon 9. So whenever you have a power even number and base is negative, the value always positive. But vice versa, when base is negative and power is odd, always you have value in negative. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. So this is minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus 8 upon 27. This is another example for the power. Now and next question, I have written so many questions. So I will give you, because this in the power and exponent and power, so many very few rules for the class 7 and 8, but the question will give the concrete knowledge, the fundamental base. Now this question simplified 25, again the first question may be the base is same or something, the example is given 25 into p power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into p minus 8. We have to simplify, very simple. 5, this is 5 to the power 2, 25, p to the power minus 4, and this will be go to denominator first, that is p to the power 8. I have given this in the beginning only. Now 5 to the power 3 minus 3, this is 5 into 2. Now 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3, this 5 will be go up, multiply p to the power 8 minus 4. When the base is same, power is added. So added means plus, and this is minus 4. So plus minus minus 4, and divides 5 into 2. Because this is 5, this is 2. 5 into 2. Now you check. 5 5s are 25. But here what happened? This is what? This is in a power? No, 10. So now you check 5, 2 plus 3, and this power will go in negative, minus 1. So 5 to the power 5 minus 1 multiply by p to the power 8 minus 4, 4, and 5, and here 2. This already up to the numerator. So 5 to the power 4 multiply by p4 divides by 2. That is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 625 p4 upon 2. A very basic question. A very basic question according to the chapter. Now next question. Next question is also a very simple question. Simplify 2 to the power minus 5 multiply by 64 to the power 2 by 3. First of all, this will be 1 upon 2 to the power 5, already I said, and then multiply, this is 4 to the power q. Whenever you have a power in fraction, check the value it is given in how many times. 64. 64 is 4 into 4 into 4. Now 3 in 3 cancel. So this is what? 2 to the power 5, that is 1 upon 32, and here 4 to the power 2, 3 is cancelled, that is 16 by 32, that is 1 by 2, or you can say 2 to the power minus 1. 4 4 ja 4 to the power 2, 4 4 ja 16, and then here 2 to the power 5, 32, 16 by 32, 1 by 2, or 2 to the power minus 1. Then one of the best question for exponent and power, class 9th. It will help you to understand xa upon xb. I am not telling this is class 7, class 8, but it will help 7, 8, 9, even 10 also. A plus b, xb upon xc, b plus c, xc upon xa. One line question, c plus a. Check here. First of all, when the base is same, power is subtracted. When the base is same, power is subtracted. We will write x a minus b, and here a plus b, x b minus c, b plus c, x c minus a, c plus a. Now the small note, a plus b, algebra part, a minus b gives a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b, this is x to the power a square minus b square, dot x to the power b square minus c square, b plus c, b minus c. dot x to the power c square minus a square. When base is same, power should be added. See that class 7. Everything related with the basic concept, power should be added. B square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now you check, a square cancel, plus and minus, b square cancel, plus and minus, c square cancel, plus and minus, x to the power 0, basic 1. A very good question regarding class 9. So this is your exponent and power. Regarding the view of video, I will surely going to post another video related to the exponent and power, which help in the senior classes. Till then, take care, bye bye, subscribe my channel.